My name is Marie Damler. I'm with Natural Valley Ranch in Brownsburg, Indiana. And today I'm going to show you how I like to tie my horse to the hitching post. It's called a quick release tie. This is Joker, and I have my lead rope and I have my hitching post. I'm going to put my lead rope over the top of the hitching post and pull it towards me. Now, the extra lead rope I'm going to make into a loop, and I'm going to put it underneath the rope that's coming from the halter. This is how much I have left. I'm going to make a smaller loop. They almost look like ears. And I'm going to put one loop through the other and then pull it through. I'm going to do that again and again, one more time. Now, to know if you've done this right, this end, if I pull this end, it comes all the way undone. Reasons why you might need to use your quick release tie is if your horse spooks, if your horse has done something and is hurt for some reason, you need to untie him quickly, you can just pull that end. If you have done it wrong, I'll do this again, another loop, and another loop, and then if you take your end all the way through the loop and try and pull it, it won't come undone. All it does is make it tighter. You just pull that last one through and pull and be undone.